What up, Tube? It's your boy Aves, man. You know what I'm saying? You went to fixing cars, anything with wheels on it, definitely into the right channel, man. That's all I do, man. Fix scooters, you know what I'm saying? Got all kind of projects. 91 Caprice I'm working on, it's running though. ATVs, all kinds of them. None of them ain't nothing. Them Chinese ones though. And this all I do, man. But right now I'm gonna bring to y'all this '07 Dodge Charger, man. Just picked it up. You know what I'm saying? Got a bad mouse infestation, you know what I'm saying? It runs though, but I don't know. I gotta go over and see what all I gotta do to it. You know what I'm saying? But it runs. Got a lot of work to do. But we gonna get it done, you know what I'm saying? Stay tuned. So what up, Tube? Yeah, you will be catching me taking the motor out of this Suburban 5.3 LS. I'm gonna be rebuilding that. That's gonna be a video. Stay tuned for that. You know what I'm saying? Got my Yukon. Did that up. You know what I'm saying? I still got a little bit of work I'm gonna do on that. My dually truck. That was a diesel to gas conversion. I'm still gonna lift that and paint that and everything. Y'all gonna catch a video on that too. You know what I'm saying? But just stay tuned, man. Got a lot of stuff coming. You feel me? But right now I'm about to clean this charger out. You know what I'm saying? Go through the whole inside. Got mouse poop and all that stuff in there. I gotta clean all that up. You know what I'm saying? I gotta do all that. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Inside is filthy. Mouse poop everywhere. Had to be 100. These motherfucking police had to be some pigs in this damn thing. Excuse my French, but man, it was dirty. How you let a car get like that? You know what I'm saying? Y'all gonna see the full restoration though. Look, mouse nest back here. I'm gonna get it together though. Got 120 on the dash. You know what I'm saying? Thing is filthy. Look at that. Mouse poop everywhere. Everywhere. The smell is terrible. You don't want to smell this, I'm telling you. Alright, little progress, man. Taking all that stuff out the back, the inside, the little interior stuff in the trunk. I'm just going to, the way it's looking, man, it's like there's no place these mice haven't been. So I think I'm gonna have to gut this whole vehicle down to the bare metal, clean it up real good. Take all the interior, all the plastic, everything, the floor, all that stuff gotta come out. The barrier. Been about an hour cleaning the poop out, vacuuming out of this thing. There's poop everywhere, man. It's like they made a fucking mouse farm in here or something, like they were breeding mice. Like, and the way this interior is set up, it's like the perfect habitat for mice, man. They were loving this thing, man. It's crazy. But I'm gonna gut it all the way down. I got no choice. Okay, little progress video. Front seat out. See all that crap up under there, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna gut this boy out completely. Getting there though. You know what I'm saying? Got that back strip down. Gotta take that back out, back liner out. We going all metal on this, baby. I don't think there's nowhere these mice ain't get, man. I gotta gut this thing down completely. So sad that an 07 Dodge Charger would have hit me 120,000 miles is in this condition, man. It's terrible. Alright, see you in the next update. Alright, this is all the different mouse nests that I pulled from inside the vehicle on top of all the crap they had in there. I mean, these mice got in every crevice they could possibly think of in this vehicle. Everything. I had to gut the whole thing out. Floors, everything. Got all that shit out. Seats, everything. All that had to come out. You know what I'm saying? It's coming together though. They even was on top of the roof, man. They had nests up in the roof, on the floorboards, everywhere, man. I gotta strip this thing down completely. Dash gotta come out, everything. Alright, Toad. Pretty much got him gutted out, man. You know what I'm saying? Sealing out all the interior. Gone. And that's how you do that, you know what I'm saying? I gotta take that back part out right there. That gotta come out too. Everything gotta go.